We've already got this unit disassembled, but I wanted to show you, do a real quick video and show the easiest way to get this snap ring out of the end of this unit. If you have a pick or something with a sharp point on it, an awl of some sort like this, you can put it right in this hole right here in the side, and might have to work it around a little bit. That ring, it'll slip underneath that ring, and once you get that in there, then you can use a screwdriver, pair of pliers, just kind of work it around to get that on out of there. And it comes out just like that. One more thing I wanted to touch on in this is this is your kit. You get something like this that has all the O-rings and seals and everything in it that you need to completely rebuild the steering box. These Teflon seals here, there's 3 of them that go on a smaller piston, and then the bigger one goes on the larger piston. They have some give to them, but you don't want to stretch them out too much when you're trying to get them to fit back on the piston. If you overstretch them, it makes it hard to get the piston back into the case. But you got to get them on there, and get them on there just right.